There are times when your teacher may ask you to use the submit assignment button, but not upload a file or share anything from Google Drive or anything like that, and just have you use the create option. So this particular assignment is responding to a chapter. I've got 3 questions that I'm going to answer, and it says to complete this assignment, you will use the submit assignment button and use the create option to type your answers right into the text editor area. So there are additional directions down below that show me how to do that. So it's letting me know that I'm going to click on the submit assignment button. And then I'm going to select create. So there's upload, create, and resources. This time I'm going to do create. And it looks like then I'll be able to type right in there. When I'm finished, I'm going to use the submit button down below. So here's what that would look like. So I would hit submit assignment, click on create, and this gives me basically like a Google Doc. And I can type in number 1, and the question was, tell me about the theme development. And I would answer all my questions, etc. And once I did that, I would be ready to submit. And I can, if I'm not quite ready right now, that's okay. Let's say maybe I only answered the first one and I want to go back and I want to check my book for something else. So I could certainly hit save draft, and it's letting me know that I've have it in draft. I haven't submitted it yet, so I can come back. I've checked my chapter that I wanted to, and now I want to tell a little bit more about um, the information. Maybe the storm in the book is telling me something, and so I've done that. Let's say I go ahead and I've finished all of this. I can use things like bold, italics, bullet list. I have a lot of options here. I could, if I've have an image of something, I certainly can submit an image. I can put a link. So there's a lot you can do right here in Create. Now, one thing to note is this particular type of assignment is only in Schoology. You will not find it in your Google Drive. So just note that, and that might be okay. But just wanted to make sure that you understood that. So when I'm ready, I hit submit. And now the teacher would see that submitted assignment. If for some reason I did it and they haven't corrected it yet, I still have an option to say resubmit, and I could go and I could start over. Now notice that if I choose this, I am recreating a whole new file or document right here, and it will be called revision 2. So just kind of note that. If you wanted to see that item again, you could click on it, and you can't, because it hasn't been graded, you do have the option to make a new draft, and in that case I do see it. So just kind of know there's a couple. If you want to redo it, you would have to actually click on it up here, not resubmit assignment. So that is how you can use the submit assignment button with the create option to submit your work to your teacher.